government to first to implement president rule right now because the state law and order has failed. Secondly, our demand is that to provide separate administration for the hill areas of Manipur.
Kanam mite iding layom beibang thozo lova panpi beya la ihi sampo iding lumdeule zaita beya
defending our land, either by being slaughtered, either by being born alive. I would encourage each one of us to be on our feet as we all stand. I would encourage us to be quiet for a few moments. Alright, so let's be on our feet. Let's quiet down, please. Let's quiet down. Let's not make any noise. To those youths who are in fact at the prime time of their lives, justly against the aggressions of the enemy, who fight tooth and nail in the street of Imphaus and different villages, we pay our deepest regards and respects to you. Pay our deepest respects and our deepest tribute to you. Not a single drop of blood that was spilled from you will go in vain. Though we might not see it, but our God, our Father, sees it and knows it. We are with you, dear brothers and sisters. We are put in a sackcloth. We share your pain. We share your sorrow. We are sorry that we cannot be with you in your greatest time of needs. Goodbye for now. We would want to say Mangpa, Mangtra for now. But that we believe that we will someday see you on the other side. Please continue to cheer for us so that the battle that has just begun will continue to go on, and we will
the other precious soul and the other precious soul. We know that no house can be rebuilt, and we will stand to accept. Lord, the truth will
come out, and the one who is responsible for this atrocity, Lord, will find and met justice and will be held accountable, Lord, and none of them will escape from the law of the land.
gave up their lives defending our motherland. Ibu Iba Tevin, 1917-1919, Anglo-KUKI War. Achun, igamin mo British te anasarovin. Dunia ije nava, nobody has the right, nobody has an iota of right to call us illegal immigrants, foreigners. Hiya tutunia hi, the educated ones, atu atsa ason sonte, hang santa ipanwangae tia avela kaintep na hivin. Once again, thank you, Reverend Mangaite.